The importance of header tags. I'd like to talk now about an ability that we have in every post that we create to really take one part of that post and say this is the most important line in the whole post. And that's what we can do with the header tag. A header tag is similar to a headline, but within a post or a page. So let's look at a post that I'm working on here. Now, of course, whenever you create a post, you can either look at it visually or you can look at it through HTML. I'm going to be doing both because either one has its merits. Looking at the HTML, to create a header tag, you just find the phrase that you want to emphasize and create this H here, H2, and then of course the closing H2. Now you can actually use H1, I think all the way up to 5, and basically the first number is going to be the biggest header tag. So you can actually have multiple header tags within your post. Now I want to show you what this looks like. Header 1, it's a bit big, so what I'm going to do is, this is just how I do it, I'm just going to have a header 2 tag here to start things off. This is still going to really emphasize to the search engines. Now, of course, how big and what your header tag looks like is going to depend on the template that you're using, and if you are savvy enough, you can go into the CSS style file, those words most likely will be, and edit what your header tags look like. But you can see how that looks pretty nice. What I did was I created a header tag that still contains the keyword phrase that I'm targeting, custom embroidered hats. Did you know that custom embroidered hats can be a real lifesaver for your business? Let me go through here. And this down here, custom ordering online, if we look at that there, you can see that's a header 3. So basically what I'm telling the search engines with the header tags is that this is the most important thing, but then this here is also important, not as important, but still important. So it gives you the ability to kind of play with things and say that you have a post that has different topics, different key points. You could use a different header tag for each one. You could start out with a header 2, and then as you go through the subpoints have header 3 tags. So that's how you use header tags. Again, it's a way to really emphasize your keywords. Of course, you don't want it to look awkward. Sometimes it can be challenging because on one hand you want to tell the search engines what's important, but on the other hand you also want to make it to be able to be readable, because if it just looks like nonsense, a bunch of big words, people aren't going to read your post, and then why even have a post to begin with?